Hey guys, welcome back. I know I said in the last video this truck would probably be the last one. Well, he called me up and said, hey, can you bring this truck to me? So we're going to go ahead, get this thing fired up, get it on the trailer, and get it delivered to him. Basically, what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you that as minimalistic as this truck is, it will still start and run on its own. Now, in the last video of this truck running, you could see that it started pretty bad. And I've started it once since then, so we'll see how it starts this time. And then we're going to go ahead and get it off the lift here and get it put on the trailer. So as you can see, the trailer's a little bit wet and a little bit inclement weather today. So backed it inside the garage here. This is what's nice about having a big bay for this. And we're going to saran wrap this cab to keep water out of it. So that'll be some fun. So you can see we got it all saran wrapped here. There's a couple little pieces here, like right here, there's little holes, and we got the top that's open. But mainly we're just trying to protect any spray from coming up from the truck or up from the trailer and going up into the cab. It's not supposed to be raining too much today, very just light drizzle. So we're just trying to prepare for the spray to keep as much water out of it as possible without spending a bunch of time and money and trying to seal the whole cab because we don't have any doors. So that was a little bit time consuming, but having saran wrap really does help protect the inside of a vehicle, especially if you have to haul it in inclement weather. So we're going to go ahead and strap this thing down and get it off to delivery. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully we'll have something new for you soon.